Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful. You are safe. You are amazing. Wherever you are in the world, I welcome you all in my channel. This is your extended love reading for Feb 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. But please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition and leave the rest, okay? Because this is the general extended reading, so this is not going to resonate with each of you. And thank you so much for giving lots of love to the channel. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So let's start your reading. Let's start your extended reading. So in your main reading, I already told you, I've already uploaded that video. You can have a look on that too. There is someone around you who is very obsessed with you, Aquarius, okay? They are obsessed with you here. The devil energy is here. Maybe they are indulged into alcohol, but they put all the swords in your back here. The 10 of swords is here. This is the completion, because there were a lot of fighting, argument, lot of conflicts between you and this person, okay? There's a lot of fighting which is happening between you and this person, but now they are rushing towards you. They're coming towards you here with the knight of swords. This is your lover. This is your love here. The lovers is here, and maybe you will receive some kind of small initiative, small message with this person, the small offer from this person, okay? You are trying so hard to bring a balance in a situation, juggling a lot, or you both are juggling a lot to bring a balance to a situation, but some kind of justice is being served in your case, Aquarius. Here I'm having justice for Queen of Wands. So some kind of justice is being served in your case. You want to create something very beautiful here with this person. 10 of Pentacles, abundance of everything. You want to create something very beautiful, abundance of everything. You want to create a happy family, a happy life with this person. But this person is someone who is a player kind of energy. Knight of Wands and King of Wands, in and out energy, okay? They are not committed energy. They are very fiery, very passionate. They can't sit at one place. They cannot give you commitment. But here I'm having a power couple. The King of Wands and Queen of Wands both are here. So let's start your extended reading. Let's see what are the clarification of these cards so that I can explain you more. And let's see, clarify me, devil, please help me out to clarify these cards. Let me know what are the meaning of these cards. What is the meaning of devil? Nine of Swords, Six of Pentacle, and the Death and Rebirth. Okay, so this person was giving you, trying to give you, you want equal amount of give and take in a relationship, but there was not equal amount of give and take. Either you were spending sleepless nights or this person was spending sleepless night, okay? But that situation is going to end here. The Death and Rebirth is here, okay? And in your main reading also I told you that whatever situation was there, that is going to end, okay? I told you this. They are unable to sleep at night, okay? They're spending sleepless nights here, but that situation is going to end here. Clarify me, Nine of Cups. Why there is Nine of Cups? Again, Two of Pentacle and Two of Cup. Two of Pentacle and Two of Pentacle. Two of Cup. Lot of twos. Bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Cup, Six of Swords, Temperance, Eight of Wands. Okay. So yeah, they were trying so hard to bring a balance, okay, Aquarius. They were trying to give, they were trying to give you two, both cup to each other. Two of Cup is something which you both share, you both share cup to each other, and they were trying so hard to bring that, okay, to give you that. They were trying, they were juggling for that, because I told you this is some kind of player kind of energy. They can't sit at one place. They cannot give you commitment. They will ghost you, they will come and play, they will play with your emotions. Maybe that's the toxicity which is being attached to this person. They were trying so hard, they were juggling a lot to bring that two of cup energy, because you are the wish fulfillment for them. Okay, you are the wish fulfillment for them. They were trying so hard to bring the balance. Okay, let me clear out why there is 10 of swords. Clarify 10 of swords. Queen of cups. Bottom of the deck I was having king of cup, and here I'm having queen of cup. This is you. I told you they put all the swords in your bag here. Okay, so they put all the swords in your bag, and queen of cup is someone who is very emotionally available, who is emotionally stable. Here communication, I saw the communication. Maybe you receive communication with this person. There is a lot of communication which is coming towards you here. They know that you are working on yourself, Aquarius. Eight of Pentacle is here. Eight of Pentacle and Eight of Wands. So you are working on yourself. Okay, you are working on yourself, and basically you are taking care of yourself, your finances and all. And they know that. So a lot of communication is possible from this person's side through social media. Okay, yeah, they want to move in a forward direction, but there is moon again. Okay, they don't know, there are some hidden emotions which are there. They are having, they don't have clarity basically. Okay, there are some hidden emotions which are hidden from them. They want to move in a forward direction with you. They want to come towards a calmer waters with you, but they don't know. See, it just fall out. See, king of cup. Right, they're feeling like an hangman right now. They're feeling like an hangman because there is, not, yeah, they're unable to make a situation. They are unable to make a decision here. Two of swords and hangman. They are unable to see, basically. They are unable to make a decision because there are hidden emotions which are hidden from them. They are not having clarity basically. So let's start why there is five of wands. Clarify me five of wands. Again, bottom of the deck I'm having page of pentacle. Page of swords is here. Either you were keeping tabs on this person, or your person was keeping tabs. Okay, page of swords and five of wands. So someone was spying on the other person. Okay, maybe you are spying on this person, and because of that there were a lot of conflicts which was happening with you, between you both, or they were keeping a tab on you, that what my Aquarius are up to, but someone was keeping an eye on other person. Okay, through social media. Clarify me more five of wands. Clarify me five of wands. See, again six of swords. They want to come towards a calmer waters with you, Aquarius. They don't know, they don't want. See, bottom of the deck I'm having knight of swords again, and this is the next card which I'm having, knight of swords. They're rushing towards you, they're coming towards you because they don't want to fight with you at all. Okay, they don't want to any argument, any fighting with you, Aquarius. Okay, they want to come towards with you, they want to come towards a calmer waters with you. They don't know their own emotions. That's the message I'm getting. They don't have any clarity about their own emotions basically. Okay, clarify me knight of swords. Knight of wands and ace of wands. Knight of wands. Yeah, that's the problem with this person. They are having a lot of passion towards you, Aquarius. You ignite that passion. Okay, they're thinking about you in their mind. They are having thoughts inside uh, for you. That's why they're coming towards you. But they are someone who is very fiery, who is very passionate. They can't sit at one place. Lot of moving energy is here. This is not a stagnant energy. Okay, this is very fast moving energy. That's the, excuse me, that's the message I'm getting. Okay, they're rushing towards you. This is someone who is very passionate, very fiery. That they are thinking about you, they're having thoughts about you, Aquarius. Clarify me, lovers. They clarify me, lovers. Why there is lovers? Help me out to clarify, lovers. Your guards are up. You are very defensive right now, and you are doing your healing here from the past things. Whatever has happened in the past, you are doing your healing. See again. Five of Swords, Five of Wands, Ten of Wands. Again, there were a lot of conflicts with this person, lot of argument, lot of fighting, backstabbing, hurts, pain, which has happened with this person. Okay, and because of this, whatever has happened in the past, now you are very, Nine of Wands, Two of Wands, and Queen of Pentacle is here. Okay, so you are standing up your ground. Okay, you are saying that I'm not going to, give up, I'm still fighting, and your guards are very much high. You're saying that no, I don't want you anymore, I'm protecting my energy, I'm working on myself here. You're not opening up basically, because you're resting and rejuvenating yourself on the past traumas or past things, where whatever has happened in the past. That's why you are, doing your healing. But Two of Wands and Queen of Pentacle is here. Either you are at the crossroads, or they are at the crossroads, and they have to make a decision here. Someone has to take a decision here, and they can be someone who is financially stable, grounded. They have to make a decision, or they see you as someone who is very financially stable, grounded. You are someone who is very independent woman. Clarify me, Page of Pentacle. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Justice here. Again, Justice and Judgment both are here. Justice and Judgment both are here. Again, some kind of justice, some kind of divine judgment is happening for you, Aquarius, or they are doing some kind of judgment. They're carrying a lot of burden on their shoulder. Three of Swords, Emperor, and Ten of Wands here. Maybe there was a third party situation in the past. Okay, so here Three of Swords, Emperor, and the Ten of Wands. Their heart was broken here. That's why you are also doing your healing here, resting and rejuvenating yourself because of the past traumas. Whatever has happened in the past, you are healing yourself, but they are still heartbroken here. Okay, this person is heartbroken, and they're carrying lot of burdens on their shoulders. But this person is someone who is an authoritative fatherly figure, the Emperor, who knows how to govern the kingdom. Okay, they're carrying lot of burdens, but now they're releasing all the burdens which they are carrying on their shoulders because of the past heartbreaks. This was happened. Okay, and because of these, they are carrying lot of burdens on their shoulders. 1313 was the recording reading time, but now they are releasing all the burdens which they are carrying on. And wow, wow, see, Queen of Wands and the Empress, this is you. This is you. You have the clarity, and you keeping your temperance with you. You don't have any confusion with you, Aquarius. You don't have any confusion. They have the confusion basically. They have the confusion. Maybe they're thinking that there is a third party situation which is involved in your case. Third party can be in anything. Okay, work, family, friends, any other addiction to work. Third party can be anything. Let me clarify. Two of Pentacles. Clarify Two of Pentacles. Yeah, this is their energy. This is their energy. Knight of Pentacle, King of Wands, and the Hermit. They were juggling a lot. See, Two of Pentacle clarification is being given me here. They took a lot of time here because this is the slowest energy in the tarot deck. Here I'm having King of Wands and the Hermit. So they went into Hermit mode. They did their soul searching about what they want in life. Okay, what their soul wants in their life. That's what they were doing it. The soul searching and all. Okay, they went into the Hermit mode. And they took a lot of time to come to a conclusion. Okay, this is the slowest energy here. Maybe right now you are unable to see because they are doing their healing. They are getting that clarity. They are, getting that clarity by doing the inner work. Okay. Wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Swords and Ace of Cups. Now they have the clarity here. They're rising as King of Swords and Ace of Cups. They're coming towards you to give you a cup which is full of emotions. Okay, emotional fulfillment. They know the truth. King of Swords is someone who knows the truth. Before they were unaware. Okay, they were juggling a lot. They don't know. They don't have clarity. But now, after doing the soul searching and all, now they have the clarity here. You will receive some kind of apology or saying sorry, Aquarius. That's the justice. I was doing the clarification of justice. Okay, so you will receive some kind of message saying sorry, Aquarius, or hi, Aquarius, but some kind of small message you will receive from this person. See, the Tower. Bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Pentacle again. This is the divine intervention. That's why I told you. This is a divine intervention. Things are crumbling down here. See, King of Pentacle, Page of Pentacle. There will message you, Aquarius. This is unexpected changes, divine intervention. When divine intervenes in your situation, so that you can make necessary changes which are necessary for you, Aquarius. Okay, because this is the Four of Wands. Again, bottom of the deck, I'm having Four of Swords. Maybe you are seeing a lot of number synchronicities these days, Aquarius. That can be a possibility. Okay, Four of Swords, Four of Wands. So this is someone with whom you are having marriage or long time commitment, or this is your divine counterpart, your soulmate, your twin flame, whatever you can call them. Okay, but you are resting and rejuvenating from the past hurts. You're doing your healing. What has happened in the past, you are healing from the past traumas. Okay, clarify me, Queen of Wands. Clarify me, Queen of Wands. The Chariot and the Page of Wands. You are not stuck. You're not in a hangman situation. You are not restricted. You are working on your passions. You're working on yourself, and you are moving in a forward direction as Chariot. You know what is right and what is wrong for you. You know the difference between black and white. Okay, you are working on yourself. You're working on your passions, and you are working on yourself. That's beautiful, because you are working on yourself. And keep working on yourself, Aquarius. There is something which is igniting your passion here, and you are playing with. Can you see how this girl is playing with the wand? So you are playing with your passion. You are, doing your passionate beginning. You are doing your passion. That's what you are doing. Clarify me, Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacle is clarified by Ten of Pentacle and Eight of Cup. Ten of Pentacle is been clarified by Ten of Pentacle and Eight of Cup. So you move in a forward direction in search of Nine of Cups. You move in a forward direction, or this person move in a forward direction. Okay, but this person move in a forward direction. Here I'm having the King of Swords, bottom of the deck. Now they are gaining strength here to reach you out, Aquarius. They're keeping their strength. They're gaining the confidence to approach you. They move in a forward direction here to get the Nine of Cups, and later on they get to know that you are the wish fulfillment for them here. That's why they are obsessed. The obsessed word I was getting in your main reading, that someone is obsessed with you. Okay, they move in a forward direction in search of Nine of Cups, but now they know the truth that you are the wish fulfillment for them. Now they're gaining the strength, they're gaining the confidence to approach you, Aquarius. Clarify Knight of Wands. Why there is Knight of Wands? Ace of Pentacle, Hierophant, Knight of Cup. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Queen of Swords, Five of Cups and Nine of Pentacles. You are single, abundant, happy, enjoying your singlehood, but you are focusing on those things which has already happened in the past. Don't be in this energy, Aquarius, okay? Don't be in the energy of guilt, okay? Feeling sad, remorse on those things which has already happened in the past, because you are someone who knows the truth here. Queen of Swords is here, so you know the truth, okay? You have that clarity, and they are coming towards you to give you beautiful things: a stable committed offer, a marriage, and a loyalty, lot of love, a romance is here, okay? Ace of Pentacle, Hierophant, and the Knight of Cup. Either you are married to this person, or you are committed to this person for long period of time, but now they are genuinely coming towards you with a loyal heart, lot of love, a stability, a commitment, beautiful things. They are coming towards you with the offer, okay? Because here I'm having Hierophant. Either they want to give you a commitment, a stable committed offer which they want to provide you, Aquarius, a marriage that can be a possibility, okay? And they're coming with the loyal thing, because Knight of Cup is someone who is very loving, very caring, very loyal one, okay? Clarify me, King of Wands, King of Cups. This person is from your past. Six of Cup. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Six of Cup. Okay. This is not a new energy. This is someone from your past. King of Cup is being clarified by Queen of Cup. And here I was clarified. Queen of Cup is clarified by Ten of Swords. Here I'm having King of Wands is being clarified by Queen of Cups. So this is again a power couple. This is your divine match, I can say that, okay? This is someone which is made for you. You both are made for each other, basically. Here this is someone who is your soulmate, because Six of Cup is also a card of soulmate, and this person is from your past, okay? You both know each other very well. Here the Six of Cup is here, okay? This is not a new energy. This is someone from your past. Now they are having clarity about you. Wow, about you. Can you see they have the clarity now? They see you as very passionate, very attractive, very motherly figure. They see you as an empress. Now they have the clarity here. They have the clarity. So this is someone from your past, okay, who is coming back towards you. Now they are having clarity. Before they were having a lot of confusion. There were a lot of hidden emotions which was hidden from them. They were unaware of those emotions, basically. Let's add some guidance from the divine. Let's see what is the advice. Judgment again. So this is some kind of judgment which is being made by the divine, because here I am having the Tower card, okay? The Tower is the divine intervention. When we don't do what we have to do, then the divine will do. Okay, so now the divine is taking control. Wow. Again, see, I was talking about Tower, and Tower has come here again. So this is why the Tower is coming, because you both were not doing what you both have to do. That's why divine has to interrupt the situation, intervenes the situation, so that you can make the desired thing which you have to do. Queen of Swords and King of Cups here again. Don't be they are coming with the cup, Aquarius, okay? Don't be in this energy of Queen of Swords. And I know Queen of Swords, when you are in the energy of Queen of Swords, you are someone who will ask question, and if you get to know that the other person is trying to manipulate you and they're playing the mind games, you will cut them immediately. But see, they're coming with the cup here. They're coming with the cup. Please have that, okay? Can you see how you are holding the hand and like, now what do you want? That's the energy you are into. But they're coming to give you a cup which is full of emotions. So because you are not emotionally available to this person, you are just listen them carefully what they want to say, and use your intuition, Aquarius. Use your intuition and choose the things accordingly, because I am not in your situation in your life. You know better than me, of course. So yeah, This person was carrying lot of burden on their shoulder, 10 of wands, and they're feeling like an hangman. See again the hangman. They were unable to make a decision here. Two of pentacle, they were juggling a lot, because here two of pentacle, hangman, and 10 of wands, again the same energies is here for this person. Okay, you ignite the passion in them, Aquarius. Okay, they are having a thoughts of them. What is the advice for Aquarius? Help me out to deliver the advice. What is the advice which I need to give? You need to keep your patience, Aquarius. Temperance is here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the sun and the strength. Beautiful. Wow. 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 Knight of Cups, Six of Pentacle, Hierophant, again the Sun and the Strength. What is the advice? I asked Divine, and Divine has given, the universe has given me the beautiful cards for you. You need to keep your patience, keep your patience, keep your strength with you, Aquarius, because new happy beginnings are coming for you. The Sun is here. The Sun is the happiest card in the tarot deck. Happy new beginnings are coming for you. Here I'm having Hierophant, so that means either you are already married to this person, or you are committed to this person for long period of time. And if you have not married or not committed yet, so now they are going to give you a commitment which is will be equal to a marriage, or they are going to give you a marriage proposal here. But Hierophant is here. Then there is Six of Pentacle and Knight of Cup again. See, so yes, they are coming with lot of love, offer, romantic love, which they want to give you, Aquarius, and they want to give you equal amount of give and take. The Six of Pentacle is here. Okay, whatever has happened in the past, that happened because they were juggling a lot, Aquarius. They don't know how to bring a balance in a situation, but once they move in a hermit mode, then they were able to give that clarity. They were now, then they were able to get what they want, but something, now they have the clarity, but some unexpected changes, the divine intervention is going to happen here. So this was your reading for Feb 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself. Know that now they are having a clarity, Aquarius. Once more I'm getting the message that now they have the clarity. Ace of Swords. There is no confusion left. Okay, there is no confusion left behind on their part. But in the past they were having a confusion. They were juggling a lot because of the hidden emotions which they were having inside of them. But now they're coming. Maybe you will receive messages or a lot of communication with this person. Okay, so this was your reading. This was your extended reading for Feb 2021. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.